Hello, my friend, and welcome to another magical video. Spring is just around the corner, and that means it's time to start decorating. I've got a quick and easy craft idea for you, and hopefully it will inspire you to make something of your own. I went to my local Michael's, and I found this adorable pre-made arrangement. I really like it, but I would really prefer it if it had a little bit more color, so I grabbed two tiny bundles as well that I liked. You know, they're only $1.99. I had a coupon, so I got a little bit extra off. It always helps. And then I also thought a ribbon would look really nice, you know, around this little edge here, maybe a bow. And I was very lucky that I had this rainbow ribbon on hand. So we're gonna put this together and see how it turns out. Okay, now that all the tags are off, we can decide how many we're going to use and how long we want them to be, and then we'll figure out the ribbon last. So I'm thinking, just so you know, there's like a black piece of foam in there. The other ones seem to be glued. I don't think I need to glue them, but I have some glue here for the ribbon, so I can always use it to glue those in too. I don't want to have too many light green things. These are very light, so we'll take these leaves off. And then I'm thinking something short, so maybe we'll cut it here. Yeah, I like that so far. Now let's go with a blue. Could keep these there. I'm gonna probably put it more in the center and maybe a little bit down. So maybe here. I want to do more blue. We'll make this one a little longer. And then maybe another yellow. There, we got that one down in there. I think I might put all of these in. Maybe. I might not put that other yellow one in. But I really like these blue ones, because they got that little bit of purple in the center. Yeah, I'll put these in here, but I'll make them really short, so you just see the splash of color. And I actually don't want another one of these, so I'm gonna cut that. There, that's beautiful. Might pull these blue ones up just a little and maybe twist them. See? Very simple, very easy. And you can do this with any colors. They had another set of flowers that was more orangey shades. I love the rainbow, as you probably know by now, so that's why I added the colors that I did. So let's do the ribbon next. Okay. Okay, so I've got this beautiful rainbow ribbon. I definitely want to make sure I've got every color represented, or at least the blue and pink. Those are definitely my favorite colors of the rainbow. And actually, if we cut that right about there, that should be the whole rainbow. Okay, so we'll bring that to the front where we think we're going to want our bow. Yeah, probably right about there. Right? You guys think that? I know it's hard to see. I keep pulling it out of the camera. I'm sorry. So we're going to actually use this Rapid Fuse all-purpose adhesive. I love this stuff. Okay, pretty much done, but I do want to add a bow, so I think I'm gonna try. I'm gonna cut a lot more than I need. Yeah, so we could do something like that and then put a little piece of glue. So basically I took the ribbon and I made a loop like that, and then I made another one the exact same way on the other side, and then you crisscross them, and then depending on your preference you could glue it this way or glue it that way. I want to try and get it to be a little bit more rainbowy, so maybe I'll do that. Oh yeah, we'll do that. It's definitely got to be careful, especially with ribbon or anything porous, because it'll seep through, and it definitely got my finger. It doesn't want to stay. Well, if you weren't like me and you didn't try to add a bow to it, or you tied a bow around it like a normal person, then your craft would be done, and super quick and super easy. This is elongating my process, and I apologize for that. I think it might be okay. I'm just going to hold it. I'm not going to touch it. I'm just going to hold it down really tight. Well, while we sit here and wait for the glue to dry, if you have any other fun craft ideas that you would like to see done or would like to share with me, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. I think we might have got somewhere this time though. Okay, so there we have it, our quick and almost quick and easy floral decor. Perfect for a desk or an end table or a window. Perfect for anywhere, really. One last thing before we finish, I found these shiny stickery doodads. I'm gonna put one on that glue spot because it is really bothering me. I'm gonna go with one of these bigger ones. Perfect. So pretty. And I got those at Michael's too, so if you wanted to do something like this, you could definitely do that too. That's all I've got for you today, but if you enjoyed this video, you can let me know by hitting that like button, and feel free to subscribe to the channel for more fun craft ideas like this. Have a magical day.